Here we're looking at a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, listed for $8,500 out of Hampton, Tennessee. This one shows around 95,000 miles, and what makes it interesting is the powertrain, a 250 cubic inch inline-six paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It's not the setup most people think of when they picture a late 70s Camaro, and that's exactly why it stands out. Inline-six Camaros were produced in much smaller numbers, and today they've become something of a rarity for collectors who appreciate originality and oddball configurations. The exterior is finished in a bold yellow, one of those colors that instantly brings you back to the late 70s cruising era. The tan interior gives it a warm vintage cabin feel, and while the seller didn't go into deep detail on condition, these colors together give the car a ton of character. According to the seller, the car runs and drives, making this a great candidate for someone who wants a classic Camaro without dealing with a dead, forgotten project. And because this isn't a V8 model, prices haven't gone crazy, meaning you still get that iconic long-nosed Camaro look, the rear-wheel drive fun, and the manual shifting experience, all at a much more affordable entry point. If this unique Camaro caught your eye, let me know which part impressed you the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More hidden gem classics are coming next.